Ever pondered the art of crafting your own curtains at home? Well, it's simpler than it might seem. Today we're delving into the world of DIY, specifically focusing on homemade curtains. Picture this: a beautiful sunny day, light streaming through the window, filtered by the soft fabric of a curtain that you've made yourself. Sounds satisfying, doesn't it? Well, it's time to turn that vision into reality. The first step is to select your fabric. Consider factors like color, pattern, texture, and how much light you want to filter through. Cotton, silk, velvet, or even sheer materials can serve as excellent choices. Next in line is measuring. Measure the length and width of your window, add a few extra inches for a nice drape, and there you have it. Those are the dimensions you need for your fabric. Once you have the fabric of the right size, it's time to hem the edges. Fold the fabric over ½ inch, iron it down, and then fold it over another ½ inch. Secure it with pins and then sew away. Repeat this step on all 4 sides. Now, let's talk about the top of the curtain, where it attaches to the rod. You'll need to create a larger hem or casing for the rod to slide through. Depending on the size of your rod, you might need to fold over 2 to 4 inches of fabric. Pin it, iron it, and sew it just like before. Almost there. Now all that remains is to thread the curtain rod through the casing you've just created. And voila! You've successfully crafted your own homemade curtain. In summary, creating your own curtains involves a few key steps. First, choose your fabric wisely, keeping in mind the color, pattern, texture, and light filtration. Second, measure your window and add some extra inches to ensure a perfect fit and a nice drape. Third, hem the edges of your fabric and create a larger casing at the top for the curtain rod. Finally, thread the rod through the casing, and there you have it, a curtain made from scratch by you. This process, while seemingly intricate, is quite straightforward and can be a rewarding way to add a personal touch to your home decor. So, why not give it a try? After all, nothing beats the satisfaction of seeing your own handiwork adorning your windows, enhancing the beauty of your home.